Vienna, 1792. A young Beethoven arrives, fierce, unpolished, untamed. Haydn, the revered master, watches this tempestuous genius rehearse, shouting at musicians, waving his fists, rewriting parts mid-performance. With a sly smile, Haydn whispers to a colleague, "Der gross Mogul." The nickname meant the Great Mogul, a veiled jab at Beethoven's tyrannical rehearsal methods. In those days, Mogul meant barbarian, but behind the sarcasm lay deep respect. The old master recognized an unbridled, wild force. Before him stood genius incarnate, unrefined, yes, but undeniable.